How to make potion of slow falling in Minecraft. So first you will need a crafting table and a brewing stand. And now just open up your crafting table and put your blaze rod right there, and it will turn into blaze powder right here. So simply get the blaze powder and now open up your brewing stand and put the water bottle and put the one blaze powder right here on that slot and put the nether wart here on the top and just wait for it to brew. Now once it's done, you will now acquire the awkward potion, and now what you need is a phantom membrane. And once you have that, you simply need to put it right here on the top again and just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished right here, you will now have the potion of slow falling. You could also add the redstone dust right here to increase the duration of the potion. So currently it is on 1 minute and 30 seconds. So if we add this redstone dust, so now the redstone dust will be added. And now the potion has a duration of 4 minutes. So earlier it was 1 minute and 30 seconds. So if you want to basically add the duration of the potion, or if you want it to last longer, you just simply need to add a redstone dust. And that's how you basically make a potion of slow falling in Minecraft.